Locating your customer number with Natwest in 2024 is a straightforward process. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to find your customer number easily. To begin, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Natwest website. Once there, locate the search bar in the top right corner of the homepage. Type customer number into the search bar and hit enter. Next, click on the search icon to initiate the search. Once the results appear, click on the option labeled Forgotten your online banking login. On the subsequent page, Natwest offers guidance for recovering your customer number. However, if you don't recall your customer number, you have an alternative option. Instead of attempting to remember it, you can opt to create a new account by re-registering for online banking with Natwest. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily resolve any issues related to your Natwest customer number. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating the process.